Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best electric skillets with lids that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget option or a premium pick, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Bella Electric Skillet and Frying Pan. This budget-friendly option offers excellent versatility for everyday cooking tasks. The durable cast aluminum base, paired with a titanium-reinforced ceramic nonstick coating, ensures even heating and easy cleanup. It's 8 times more durable than standard nonstick coatings and cooks up to 30% faster, making it a great choice for busy families. Plus, it's PTFE and PFOA-free, which is a bonus for health-conscious users. Design-wise, the Bella Skillet is compact yet functional, featuring cool touch handles and a tempered glass lid for safe and convenient cooking. At 12 by 12 inches, its size is ideal for small to medium-sized meals, making it suitable for omelets, risottos, stir-fries, and more. The adjustable temperature dial allows precision control, ensuring your dishes come out perfectly every time. While the Bella Electric Skillet excels in affordability and ease of use, it has a few downsides. The wattage is slightly lower at 1200 watts, which means it may take longer to heat up compared to higher-powered models. Additionally, its capacity may not be sufficient for larger families or entertaining guests. Overall, this skillet is perfect for individuals or smaller households looking for a reliable and eco-friendly option on a budget. Coming in at number 4 is the Elite Gourmet EG6201 Extra Deep Electric Skillet. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with a bit more capacity than the Bella, this might be the one for you. The 7.5 quart capacity and 12 by 12 inch dimensions are perfect for family-size meals, whether you're frying chicken, preparing stir-fries, or baking casseroles. The Marbleized nonstick coating is durable and scratch-resistant, ensuring hassle-free cooking and cleanup. The design of this skillet is simple yet practical. The thick cast aluminum body features a black lacquer finish, providing resistance against rust and warping. The tempered glass lid locks in moisture and flavors, while the adjustable temperature control allows for precise cooking between 200 Fahrenheit and 400 Fahrenheit. Additionally, the skillet is dishwasher safe and fully immersible after removing the temperature control, making cleanup a breeze. However, the lower wattage of 1200 watts may result in slower heating compared to higher-powered models. While it boasts good build quality, it doesn't have the premium coatings or advanced features found in higher-ranked options. But considering its price point and functionality, the EG6201 is an excellent choice for those prioritizing value and reliability for everyday cooking. At number 3, we have the Presto 07117 12-inch electric skillet. This versatile appliance offers exceptional value for its price, allowing you to roast, fry, grill, stew, bake, and even make casseroles. The heavy cast aluminum pan ensures durability and even heat distribution, while the premium nonstick coating makes cooking and cleaning a breeze. One of the standout features is the tempered glass lid with a stay-cool handle, which allows you to monitor your food as it cooks. The high sidewalls provide added capacity, making it suitable for family meals or buffet-style serving during gatherings. The built-in pour spout doubles as a utensil rest, adding a thoughtful touch to its design. Plus, with automatic temperature control, you can maintain consistent heat for perfectly cooked dishes. While the Presto 07117 offers excellent versatility and build quality, it falls slightly short in capacity compared to larger models. It's best suited for smaller families or individuals who enjoy a wide range of cooking styles. Overall, this skillet is a fantastic option for those looking for a mid-range appliance that delivers consistent performance and ease of use. Taking the number 2 spot is the Elite Gourmet EG6203 Extra Deep Electric Skillet. With its massive 10.5 quart capacity, this skillet is built for large families and entertaining. The 16 by 13 inch cooking surface provides ample room for frying, grilling, or baking, making it ideal for meals that serve up to 8 people. The marbleized honeycomb nonstick coating is not only durable, but also scratch-resistant, ensuring long-term reliability and easy cleanup. The skillet's design is robust, featuring a thick cast aluminum body with a black lacquer finish that resists rust and warping. The tempered glass lid locks in moisture and flavors, while the integrated easy pour spout lets you drain excess juices without hassle. The M-shaped heating element ensures rapid and even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and ensuring consistent cooking results. While this skillet is feature-rich and spacious, its larger size and heavier build may not be ideal for smaller kitchens or single users. It's also priced slightly higher, but the additional capacity and premium build quality make it worth the investment for those who need a versatile and durable appliance. If you're hosting dinner parties or cooking for a large family, this skillet is a top contender. Finally, at number 1, we have the Presto 06852 16-inch electric skillet. This premium pick combines versatility, performance, and durability to deliver one of the best electric skillets on the market. The 16-inch pan with high sidewalls offers extra cooking and serving capacity, making it perfect for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and entertaining guests. Whether you're roasting, frying, grilling, stewing, or baking, this skillet has you covered. The ceramic nonstick surface is PFAS-free, ensuring a safe cooking experience while being easy to clean. The Control Master Heat Control maintains cooking temperatures automatically, so you never have to worry about uneven cooking or burnt dishes. The heavy cast aluminum base is virtually warp-proof, ensuring long-lasting performance. Additionally, the tempered glass lid doubles as a buffet server, making it a great choice for hosting. While it's the most expensive option on this list, the Presto 06852 is worth every penny for those who need a reliable, high-capacity skillet for frequent use. Its powerful 1500-watt heating element ensures rapid and even cooking, and the build quality is second to none. If you're looking for the ultimate electric skillet that combines functionality, durability, and style, this one is an easy recommendation. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.